Is the dispatched audio from the first caller.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
I can barely hear, ma'am, but I'm going to report anyway.
What's the address of the emergency?
Yes, it's emergency. I just got off a train that was stopped on City College right now, and there's a guy with a machete type of knife.
Okay.
As long as my arm.
Is he threatening people with it?
I don't know because I jumped off the train. Everybody took off this train.
Is he on the train or not on the train?
I just got off the train.
Was he on the train, though, or was he not on the train?
He's still on the train. He's on the train. It's the second car of, let's see, okay, this is car 116 that I'm standing in front of. It's the lead car. And the car behind him, I'm trying to see the number, 109.
It was 109?
Yeah.
Okay. What did he look like? Was he white, black, Asian, or Hispanic?
He's a black guy, red outfit.
Was it like a red shirt or a red tank top or?
I just took off after the red shirt.
Red shirt? Okay. Do you remember the pants or you're not sure?
I was not sure. I was just getting off the train.
Okay.
So I was like, whoa.
All right. I'm just going to try and get the best description I can. Do you remember about how old he looked or no?
I would say 45, 50.
45 to 50. Can you remember about how tall he was?
I'm 5'8", so he had to be about 6 feet.
And was he thin, medium, or heavy build?
Muscular build.
Muscular? Okay.
Yeah, I think the train's waiting for a reason, but everybody jumped off this car, and I just saw him at the last minute.
Okay.
This blade is pretty huge.
Okay. All right.
This is the dispatched audio from the second caller.
911, your emergency?
There's a man with a knife on the light rail at Sac City College on the blue. He has a knife. He got on the train. He said something. He has a huge knife.
Okay, hang
He's
on.
wearing red. He's African American.
Okay, hang on just a second for me. We've gotten a call on it, so we have officers heading there, but stay on the excuse me, stay on the phone.
Where is he? Because I'm walking towards William Land Park, and I don't want him to catch up with me.
You said he's on the blue train, right?
He was on the blue. I hopped off. The blue stopped, and it stopped, and
what is he doing with the knife?
I don't know. It's a huge knife, so he's not walking towards this way, is he? Towards William Land Park.
Are you talking to someone else?
No, he's not walking towards William Land Park, is he?
Okay. You said that he's African American. How old does he look?
I don't know. He's maybe 40.
Okay, and his height and weight?
200 pounds.
Okay, your phone's kind of cutting out a little. You said 200 pounds. How tall?
6 feet.
Okay, and what color clothing does he have on?
Red.
What color pants?
Red.
Red also?
Yeah.
Red shirt, red pants? Okay, what's he doing with the knife?
Nothing. He's holding it in the air.
He's what? He's what?
Right here on this door, you have one passenger on your side. Right here.
Okay, can you open this door for us? Oh, okay.
One talking to the police, one in the red shirt. One in the red shirt, the only other one.
Hello? Can you step off, sir?
Hey, sit up, sit up, sit up.
Step out.
Come on. Please, bro. Please don't leave
Step off,
me,
dude.
bro.
I need you to step off.
Please don't leave me, bro.
Can you just put your hands on your head for me, please? Listen, we want everything and everyone to go home safe. I just need you to do everything that you say, okay? Or everything that we tell you.
Like I said, I love you, bro. I appreciate you, bro. Get him off. Okay, I can't do it. Get up now. Please, I can't do it, bro.
Stay there, okay? What's your name?
I'm scared of y'all, bro. Please don't.
No one's gonna hurt you, man.
Please, sir. Please, I know y'all gotta do your job, but I'm scared of y'all right now.
Okay, do not grab the knife. Do not grab the knife, okay?
Please, bro. Please, bro.
Take a...
Please, bro.
He's on board.
Please, bro.
Do not grab the knife.
Please, bro. Please, bro.
Do not grab the knife, man.
Please, bro.
Listen to me.
You guys got me scared of y'all, bro.
Listen to me. If he stands up, less lethal.
Please, y'all.
Drop the knife, okay?
I can't do it, y'all.
What's your
I
name?
can't do it. I can't do it, sir.
Back up,
I can't
back
do it.
up.
Please, please. I can't do it, sir. I can't do it. Please, please. I can't do it. Please, somebody do my
Do not let anyone in that door, okay?
Please, I'm not going to open the door, please. Please.
What's your name?
Please, sir.
What's your name?
Please, sir. I'm not trying to go do nothing. I'm not trying to do. Please, please, please.
Listen.
Please.
Listen, we do not want to hurt you.
Please, I can't do it, man. I can't do it, please.
Next unit.
Please, Lord.
Next unit.
Please. Please, please, please. Please, I can't do it. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. Don't go here. I can't do nothing. Please, I can't do nothing, y'all. I can't do nothing. I can't do it. I can't do it.
We're having trouble.
Please, I can't do it, Lord.
So we'll take a
Yahweh, I can't do it. They got me, Lord. I can't do it, Yahweh, please. Yahweh, please. Yahweh.
Listen.
Yahweh, please, Lord.
We do not want to hurt you.
Please.
Please do not.
Please, Lord.
We are here to help.
I can't do it. Lord, I can't do it, Lord. I love you so much. I can't help it.
We are here to help.
Lord.
We're here to
Lord,
help you.
help me.
We're here to help you. We're here to help
Please,
you.
Lord. Ah! Ah!
We're here to help you.
Ah! Ah!
We're here to help you.
Help me!
What's your name?
Please help!
Lock off that door.
Please, that's what I'm trying to do!
I'm trying-
Help what?
We want
help what? I love what? Please, come on, man, please! Don't run on me, please! Please don't run up on me!
Listen,
Please don't run up on me! Come on, blood, don't run!
no one wants to hurt you.
Please! I'm telling you!
Please drop the knife.
See? Like that's what y'all gonna do! Oh! Oh!
Shots fired, one down. Please start medical code 3.
I got that. They're not totally dilated. Let's do a chest seal.
Open up everything.
I'll cut off the shirt. Cut off shirt. You got a chest seal?
Get out here. Let's start handing you one.
Another scissors. You need to cut off. Okay. Chest seal. Here.
I'm cutting off this pants right behind you.